Hello guys, welcome to Jemmy Tech. In today's video we are going to learn about function. Find area of a circle using function. We got a question which is really easy. You don't have to be worried about it. Right now I'm going to solve it very quickly. So let's do not waste time and start it. Let's first include the library. Include iostream stream.h or whatever it is, using function, using namespace std, yes, and here main function, and here write down we have the main function here. So before it, this is the basic syntax, right? But just before here we have to return something from it, right? So here this is included. Got it. Okay, and here this is the basic syntax of the C++ program. iostream got it. We got a lot of, that's too bad. iostream, right? That's all, right? So first I want to declare declare a function, right? So int calculate radius of a circle, or it is a small, should be small name, right? And here I'm declaring the parameters, right? We need only one for radius for the input, and the declaration of a function should be it needs a semicolon, right? So here I have int, I want to int radius. I want to get input from the user, radius from the user. So int radius, it should be in dynamic way, right? And here we have two float variables, which are area, and the other one is pi, right, which is constant. Exactly, it has a value of 3.14, right? And right down I'm going to do what? Cin, I'm going to give value input to the radius. Before I want to print a message, right? Cr less than into radius of the circle, radius of a circle, right? So that's it. You will into radius less than or it's okay, done. Here I'm taking it from user radius. Okay, and right down I'm going to initialize the function, right? Call radius. We have something I'm going to initialize, right? It doesn't need a semicolon, right? No need of semicolon. Go right down. I'm going to return a single variable, the a. Okay, but it should be a specific radius, it's a name, right? Doesn't matter, whatever you just rate. So I'm going to return a single variable radius, and here I'm going to calculate the area should be equal to the calculate radius. I'm going to call the function, right? And here we have pi. The formula for calculating or finding area of a circle is pi, pi r square, right? So we have pi into r radius into radius again, right? So easy, semicolon. And now I'm going to print out the message, the result. First I want to print a message like the area of a circle, area of a area of the circle, the specific circle is less than area, right? So easy. Let's see whether we have any error. Let's go. So let's try it out. Run the program. See, enter radius of a circle, right? I'm going to enter 4, and the area of a circle is 50. right? Let me just do something else as well, right? After this we need to have in L, right? End of the line, right? So let's try again. And a radius of a circle, I'm going to put a 5, right? The area of a circle is 7n, right? That's so easy. You don't have to do a lot of work. We did nothing except just this is the initialization of the function, declaration, and here the initialization, right? So easy. This needs a semicolon and it doesn't need it. And we have declared a radius. This is variable and float, two variables which are area and pi. Pi is constant. We just get the radius from the user, right? And here we calculated, we just pass it. This is called passing value, or calling the function, right? Function call, it is known as a function call, right? Because we call radius, easy. And here we just handle the radius of a circle and it is back. So that's it for today's video. We'll see you in the next lecture. This is Jamie. You are watching from Jamie Take, and don't forget to subscribe as well as share with your friends. Bye.